Everyone knows how creators turn passion into profit. In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patron. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So this is what is Patreon. So first of all you have to do is just click over get started and you write your email address and your password, or you can just log in to find your account. So you write your email address and your password, then you get started. Then you write your password and you click over continue, as you can see. Then you'll find this page. So this is the home page as you can see. So as you can see, we have here your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps features, learn more about you and what you plan to share here. 1 of 5 completed. So the first thing, you add a profile photo and describe your page, let people know who you are and what you will be using Patreon for, types for writing and description. Then we have make your first public post, let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. Then we have publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then we have tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So using Patreon is straightforward and can be broken down into a few key steps. First, create an account on the Patreon website and set up your creator profile, which includes your bio, profile picture, and a compelling description of what you offer. Next, define your membership tiers, outlining the different levels of support and the exclusive rewards patrons will receive at each tier. Once your tiers are set, customize your page with engaging visuals and content that reflects your brand. After that, promote your Patreon page, grow your social media channels, website, or email newsletter to attract potential patrons. Finally, consistently deliver on your promises by providing valuable content and engaging with your community to build lasting relationships with your supporters. With dedication and creator with dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream on Patreon. So right now I will show you how you can get started. You have just to click over create and you choose the one you want here. For example, I would choose text. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. You have first to add a title, tell a story, for example here. Then you have also upload attachment, and we have preview posts also. Then we have here start conversation, stop web member, and then let's come back here. We have here also collections. You can just create your collection here. You add the title, description, and you create a collection. You can also select or upload the image here. Then we have membership here. Build your paid membership. Income you can count on. Earn requiring income from your biggest fans. Then you have start with what you have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Didn't grow your creative business. Get insights on your members. Create exclusive member only chats and more. So you can just click on get started. You have your new tier. Then you have you choose what to offer. What benefits should I offer? Bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member only voting. Then you have early access also. Then you have your customer style. You have to write your title name, your monthly price also, and then we have your title description. You describe the benefits and exclusive content what people can expect to get when they join. Then you add a cover image also. Then you have your title benefits, let your members know what they can expect from this membership. You can just add the benefits. Then you have your free trial, allow members to try this title for 7 days before charging them. Also, we have the advanced one here, tariff settings. Ask members for a shipping address. You can just click over it. Limit the number of members who can join this tier. So I will just write, for example, 1000 here. Discard access. Configure fade. Then we have here, sorry, let's come back. And we have here also about. So here we have introduce yourself, help people come into your page, get to know you, share more about who you are, what you create, and why you are on Patreon Learn. Then we have also here library and other information and other settings like audience, insights, payouts, promotions, community, notifications also, and other things. You can just upload the title here, publish stage, access posts. Also we have audience here, have relationship manager, search by name or email. Then we have insights here, payouts, promotion also here, community. So this is how it works with Patreon. So Patreon is an invaluable resource for creators seeking financial stability and community engagement by clearly defining their offering, maintaining regular communication, and utilizing tiered subscription models. Creators can maximize the platform's potential. These strategies help build stronger relationships with supporters, ensuring a sustainable creative journey. So this is how it works with Patreon.com. You can just get started by creating, if you want to create content and also sell a podcast or sell a course, I mean, and also podcasts and something like that. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you guys in the next video.